Hi, this is Herb Garden Lady again, and I just wanted to show you my lavender plants. This is called Pink Perfume, and they're very, very small. They're probably like 2 inches tall. I don't know if you can see it. And yes, it's a cold, snowy day on April 27th, 2016. Yes, it is snowing out. We're not supposed to have snow, but it is Vermont. Anything can happen with the weather. And that's it with the Pink Perfume. And these are all started from seed. The best way to start lavender is from cuttings, and I will show you that in another video. Thanks for visiting my website, Herb Garden Lady.